Good morning, parents and students. Welcome to the Engineering Clusters webinar, School of Engineering, Temasek Polytechnic. Thank you for taking your time to attend this session. My name is Choi Ping. I'm the course chair for the Diploma in Mechatronics. I will bring you through some of the highlights and useful takeaway of the 5 diploma courses under this engineering cluster. We know JAE result will be released next week. Many parents and students have been planning for this next lap of journey. If you have any questions during the presentation, please type in your questions through our live chat on the YouTube. You can also seek e-consultation with the course counseling team at the TP Virtual Open House website. Industry 4.0 and digitalization are transforming workplace globally. New jobs and skills are important for each of us to embark on a fulfilling career shaped by rapid technology advancement. For these courses, we aim to equip the learners with knowledge and skills in the following technologies area, such as robotics and automation, artificial intelligence, 3D printing, 5G, immersive media, Internet of Things, healthcare informatics, robotic process automation. We adopt a multidisciplinary skill-based training where students from different schools will interact, work together, and learn in a live smart manufacturing plant and well-equipped technology center such as Healthcare Engineering Center, which focus on research and development work, a TP Advanced Manufacturing Center, which has a live smart factory, the TPHRG Robotic Innovation Center, where students learn how to configure and program robotic system. We have also the Digital Fabrication and Additive Manufacturing Center, where students will work on polymer and metal 3D printing. Last but not least, the Robotics and Automation Center will train students in advanced automation technology. All these centers collaborate with the diploma courses and work with strong industry partners to jointly prepare our students for the future of work. With teams of passionate lecturers, we aim to upskill future-ready workforce. We are not here to train you just for taking up a technical job. We would also like to inspire and equip you to be successful technopreneurs and technical professionals in new job roles. Have you heard about this job title? Well, some of these job titles which may be hearing for the first time, but they are as exciting as they sound moving forward. Over the 3 years of your studies, we will help you to build a credible portfolio with quality certification and industrial engagement experiences. I'm sure you will have many happenings, moments in TP. As our students are picking up new technology and new knowledge, we encourage them to demonstrate their skills mastery and best practices by applying them to participate in technology competition. We are very successful in this initiative. This year alone, our students with won major awards in the following international competitions: Global Student Innovation Challenge, World Skills Singapore 2020, Engineering Innovation Challenge 2020 during the National Engineer Day, as well as one of our students joined the research team in NUS to file a patent for invention of an artificial heart. That's an achievement. In this slide, in the School of Engineering, our students are constantly exposed to industry. We have strong partnership with local and international organizations for internship, study trips, community project. Shown here are our students' experiences undertaking OSIP, Overseas Students Internship Program, okay, at Haraping Robotics Group in China and local SIP at Schneider Electric. In addition, our high ability students will have opportunity to embark on the University Pathway Program that enable them to take some university modules during their polytechnic studies and therefore shorten the time by up to a year for them to complete the degree courses. Effectively speaking, when they complete their diploma studies in TP, they have already completed 1 year of the university modules. And you know that SIT is an applied university, applied learning university, which actually interests a lot of our polytechnic students. Next, besides company, we also send our students to participate in R&D projects in reputable overseas university with Masu College of Technology in Japan and Southwest Jiao Tong University in China. Our students and staff work closely with reputable industry partners for quality internship projects and final year major projects. Many of them proceed to join the companies upon graduation. And these companies also sponsor scholarship, graduation medals, and book prizes to our distinguished scholars and graduates. So for the True Train Work Study Degree Program, the students will go back to the same company where they're attached to during the polytechnic days, and upon graduation from the university, they may get permanent employment by the SIP company in their postgraduate time. Well, coming to the exciting part. Allow me to show you one conducive learning facility at TP, the TP Advanced Manufacturing Center that we recently set up to ensure students will have an authentic learning journey with us. It is equipped with the latest cutting technologies in Industry 4.0. We will show you the highlights of this video. Let's sit back and enjoy the virtual tour. Hi, welcome back. Well, this video provides a glimpse of the actual setup. Students in this engineering cluster will experience on-the-job training in the center, deepen their engineering knowledge and skills, and have abundance of opportunities to take part in multidisciplinary and industry partner jobs. Okay, if you have some time, you can scan this QR code to enjoy the video again at your own time. Next, we will move on to share highlights and useful takeaways of the diploma courses. The Diploma in Mechatronics was established in 1991 with a strong history of 30 years this year. The curriculum is constantly being reviewed to ensure industry relevance and our graduates are highly employable. In fact, School of Engineering started with both the Diploma in Mechatronics and Electronics as anchor programs in the 1990s. Industry 4.0 is transforming the modern workplace from the basic technique of engineering to cutting-edge technologies. This course prepares you for the new era of advanced manufacturing where humans, machines, and systems communicate and collaborate safely in a real time. You will go through a multidisciplinary experiential learning and to master the applications of robotics automation, 3D printing, data analytics in technological areas such as cyber physical system, virtual manufacturing, as well as machine vision and pattern recognition. The Diploma in Mechatronics will equip students with emerging trends and skills that are in high demand in advanced manufacturing. Mechatronics has a broad-based curriculum. It is well positioned and recognized in multiple sectors under the Skill Future Industry Framework. The specialized skills you will acquire in advanced manufacturing will provide you an advantage and excel in diverse engineering sectors. The overall graduate employment rate is healthy and is trending upwards. Mechatronics gives the widest career choice in engineering sectors and has multiple pathways leading to further studies. I'm pleased to announce that TP Mechatronics Diploma is the first to launch in Singapore in 2019. The True Train Work Study Degree Program, also known as the TP-SIT Pathway Program in partnership with SIT and Newcastle University. This allows students to meet their aspiration of obtaining their diploma and degree in a faster time due to the integrated pathway. Following slides shows examples of mechatronics system across Singapore industry, as well as mechatronics system closer to home. This slide shows the skill-based learning undertaken by mechatronics students. In the final year, students can select their specialization or elective cluster to deepen their career interests and map their employment pathway. So next, we will move on to the diploma in electronics. Electronic brings advancement to the mankind. It enables rocket to the space, plays an integral part in our daily lives, at home, schools, leisure, and factory. From personal mobile devices, home appliances, aerospace, medical devices to sophisticated smart systems. True to say that we literally cannot live without electronics. As Singapore progresses towards becoming a smart nation, this course prepares you for the current emerging needs encompassing the Internet of Things, automations, digital transformation, Industry 4.0, assistive technologies, and a green environment to meet the changing needs of the industry. In Singapore, the electronics industry employ more than 68,000 of workforce and contributing more than 30% of the Singapore total manufacturing output. The diploma in electronics has a broad-based training in both hardware and software skills that prepare students for their future career in a wide range of jobs and industries that requires applications of electronics. In the students' final year, students will choose their specialization in one of these 5 cluster electives to map their career pathway. Some of these elective clusters are also open to other diploma within the engineering cluster to choose during their 3rd year of poly studies. Next few slides, we will describe the elective cluster. This avionic cluster elective gives you a good foundation to work in the aviation industry. The elective subject introduces the avionics system in an aircraft and the test methodology employed in servicing this system. Well, this newly added industrial artificial intelligence option allows students to acquire knowledge and skills of industrial AI in the field of advanced manufacturing. The training focuses on hardware and software integration, bridging operational technology and IT, connected equipment devices and control system, and these are the enabler to smart system manufacturing and IoT. Very exciting. Third elective cluster, semiconductor technology, equips students who have knowledge and skills to work in the field of semiconductor and find employment in related industry. In this robotic cluster elective, the diploma in electronics prepares students for future career in a wide range of jobs and industries that require applications of electronics, sensors, controls, interfacing, and machine intelligence in today's automated industry. The 5th elective cluster is a cross-school elective offered by School of Business and School of Information and IT. The intra-logistic and cybersecurity options provides an opportunity for the students to learn specialized knowledge and skills in intra-logistic automation system to handle complex material flow in advanced manufacturing, and in cybersecurity to monitor and protect key aspects of advanced manufacturing operations. Next, we will share highlights of diploma in business process and system engineering. The diploma in business process and system engineering, in short PZE, is the first hybrid course of soft skills engineering and basic concept among the 5 polytechnic. With a broad-based curriculum, it provides flexibility for career and further studies option. This diploma trains graduates to help companies enhance their business process improvement and work process productivity, as well as embarking on Industry 4.0 for data utilization. Due to the diploma's very diverse curriculum, company placement for internship has never been an issue. In fact, the internship creates the platform for major project in students' final year project. So there is a continuation from SIP to MP or flip-flop from industry, from studies translates to real-life application. As the diploma in business process and system engineering is a hybrid course, this course creates vast career opportunities and further studies options as listed in this table. So the options is very wide. Well, the course offers this piece of advice to potential students. You can enroll in the course directly or via the Common Engineering Program pathway after semester 1.1 streaming exercise. Later on, you will be briefed with more details on the Common Engineering Program by one of my colleagues. Following this, we will share highlights of Diploma in Biomedical Engineering. Biomedical engineering is the application of engineering principles and design concept to medicine and biology for healthcare purposes. To close this gap between engineering and medicine, biomedical engineering combines the design and problem-solving skills of engineering with medical biological sciences to advance healthcare treatment, including diagnosis, monitoring, and therapy. The diploma offers specialization in the final year for students to choose and prepare them to be part of the future-ready medical technology and healthcare workforce. It is said that Singapore is the biopolis of Asia, especially in current pandemic situation. We need a lot of talents in this area. Singapore has one of the world's top 10 healthcare services and also top 10 medical technology players located in Singapore. And it has also the top 10 global pharmaceutical players with 15 blockbuster drugs produced here. Then what is in biomedical engineering? They focus on three main pillars: the biosciences, informatics, and engineering. These will give students greater flexibility and multiple skills for employment and further studies. The next slide will show you what the career pathway for biomedical engineering graduate. Medical technology is Singapore's key engine for economic growth. So listed here is the vast variety of career employment for biomedical engineering graduate to map their career aspiration working in the medical technology and healthcare industry. So the opening is very promising. Last but not least, we will share highlights of diploma in computer engineering. What really is computer engineering? Well, it blends together computer science and electrical engineering to further advancement in digital technology, computer networking, and computer system. With that, computer engineering uses that extensive knowledge of hardware and software engineering and computer programming to make computer platforms and applications more efficient and effective. And things are very dynamic, and this is a very in-demand skills nowadays. What can you learn in computer engineering diploma? While in computer engineering, students will have opportunities to learn fundamentals in electronics and programming, and progressing to emerging areas such as Internet of Things, data analytics, artificial intelligence. The curriculum is constantly being reviewed to ensure that they are industry relevant, and it ought to be because we are in an industry transformation. Computer engineering students are trained and prepared for internship, and for high ability students, they are also challenged to participate in competition which give them an edge in scholarship application. What about further studies? Again, in the engineering cluster, there are a lot of possibility. Graduates from computer engineering will be able to further their studies in both overseas and local university with many computer engineering related courses. As you can see from here, for NTU and NUS, advanced standing were also given to computer engineering graduate. In fact, many of the engineering diploma has been given advanced standing as we are having a long history of establishment in the School of Engineering. Do check out our website for more details. Okay, over here, this slide shows the graduate employment prospect. Employment opportunity for these graduates are abundant, as shown in the quick job search posting, a few thousands in the reporting. So you can see from the public website as well. So companies going through all these digital transformations, whether in the operations or in the IT areas, okay, we will provide opportunities for computer engineering graduates as they are trained to take up such job roles. Our curriculum is relevant and practical. Collaboration with industry partners in cutting-edge technologies and advanced manufacturing results in comprehensive training programs that prepare students and workers for an array of career options and future-ready for ever-changing world. We have completed the sharing of the 5 diploma courses in the engineering cluster. We wish parents and students all the very best for the next week JAE result day. Next, I shall hand over to Dr. Ho Peng Chin, who is the course chair for Common Engineering Program, to share more information. Dr. Ho, please.
Hello. You have just seen a couple of engineering courses that Temasek Poly can offer to you. What do you think? Have you figured out the course you're looking for? Yes? That's great. Or maybe not, and you need more time. Well, I'm going to share with you something for you to consider, the Common Engineering Program. First, let's hear from a student who has benefited from the program.
I wanted to pursue an engineering diploma from Temasek Polytechnic. I did not know what I wanted to choose from. I decided to join the Common Engineering Program, which allows me to get a feel of other diploma courses and to make an informed choice. And I'm glad that I didn't regret what I chose back then. I'm Alvin, a year 2 student from Biomedical Engineering. We learn basic engineering concept and skills like circuit analysis, soldering, and even programming as well. I also have an opportunity to attend a Common Engineering Program streaming talk. Different course chairs will present their diplomas, their career prospects as well, what to expect after we join them. Even though you'll be streaming in different semesters, I will be still graduating same as my peers that join the course directly, because we undertake the same modules in our year 1 all the way to year 3.
As you have heard from Alvin, he has made an informed choice after joining the Common Engineering Program. You can see that these are the diploma choices you can make in the Common Engineering Program, and students in the Common Engineering Program will participate in course selection exercise in SEM 1 and SEM 2. And if they are successful in their selection, they will join the diploma in SEM 2 or year 2, depending on the diploma course. Do note that course streaming is based on students' choice and is by merit, meaning we will look at your semester 1 poly results and no longer your O-level aggregates. I want to leave you with these key takeaways about Common Engineering Program. It is meant for anyone who are not sure which engineering course to pursue, and you may need more time to consider. Do join us first, then decide later in SEM 1 or SEM 2. Now, the most valuable part about joining Common Engineering Program is that we don't just leave you alone to think about the course. We will organize course talks inviting course teams from various diploma to share with you about their course. We will also organize diploma workshop to let you have some hands-on feel about the course. Other than course talks and diploma workshops, we will equip you with a decision-making tools which was designed by our school's career guidance team. The tool will serve to provide you a reference on which course that suit you most. In short, We want to make sure you make an informed decision of your course. Another thing I want to share with you is that Common Engineering program will give you a chance to pursue your dream course. For example, some students may have missed the cutoff point for their dream course. They join Common Engineering program, work doubly hard to achieve good result in their SEM 1, and then they pick their dream course during the streaming exercise and finally got what they want. Regardless of the reason of joining the Common Engineering program, you will graduate at the same time as anyone who joined the diploma course direct in SEM 1, meaning standard 3 years and no extra years needed. So far, you have not heard me talk about any diploma course in specific, but instead, I've shared with you how Common Engineering program works to your benefit by giving you more time to think about the course that you want to pursue. I do encourage you to check out our website to find out more about the program that we have offered. With that, very best to your next stage of learning, and I shall now open up for Q&A.
Hello, good morning. All right, feel free to, if you have any question, feel free to type your question, send it through the YouTube comments. We'll be most happy to take those questions. All right, so joining us today this morning, we have the course chair from the various diploma. We have Chuck Hang from the course chair from Electronics. Choi Ping, you have just heard from her presentation just now. She's the course chair from Mechatronics. Adrian's the course chair from Biomedical Engineering. Yen, we call him Yen, my colleague here, course chair from Computer Engineering. And Hin Lun, he's the course chair from a diploma from the longest name Business Process in Systems Engineering. Wow, very long name. Maybe I will ask him to start off first by asking him, wow, you have Business Process System Engineering inside the course. Can you tell us more about what is all this? Inlun?
Yes, thank you, Peng Ching. Right. Essentially, in the diploma in business process and system engineering, in short, BZE, it is a hybrid course. So what we do in here is that we introduce the soft skill engineering concepts together with business fundamental concepts. So these appeal to students who do not really like the concept of having hardcore engineering, which uses screwdrivers, spanner, or soldering, or you creating a hardware prototype. Then that is where it will attract them to come to us, because we are software engineering, where we will use systems to look at processes, and essentially we are in the business of improving processes, improving productivity, optimizing it, and also in some sense we do quite a fair bit of data analytics. Yeah. And we couple this together with the business elements so that we can generate some business proposal and strategy. Well, this course is popular for students who have yet to fully decide what they want to do in further studies or career, because the options are wide, the curriculum is flexible, so it allows students to make changes as they progress in career and further study. Yeah. So so this is actually what BZE is offering. Yes. Thank you.
Thanks, Inlun. I think for this morning, since you are joining us, we might as well give you some history about our school, or in fact, Temasek Polytechnic. We are in business for 30 years already. It started off in 1990. All right. Back then, we only had 734 students. But today, 2021, imagine we have 14,000 students in our full-time course, any one time in our campus. All right. So this is how big we are right now. All right. So another thing we hear about tomorrow's technology, AI, and robotics and all this kind of thing. Maybe I think we need to see whether how our curriculum get up to speed to all these new technology. Maybe Mr. Yan, you want to share with us, AI, data analytics, these are all the buzzword right now, and what your course has really prepared, our graduate to be or about to be our joining us, those students about to join our course.
Okay, let me try my best. Okay. Okay. In computer
I'm sure
engineering,
you're not going to
I
have
think-
a robot to speak to us, right?
yeah. I
Okay.
don't have a robot to demonstrate, But in computer engineering, you have a unique opportunity where you will learn how hardware works, and then how to use the software to make the hardware smart. And that is and with today's digital transformation among the workplaces, and you will also notice that there is a great demand in talents in areas where workers are able to adapt to all these digital technologies. So in the computer engineering, we train students in areas that is prepared to prepare our students in these areas. When we say artificial intelligence, what does it mean? It means you can use a computer, a camera to recognize objects and make sense of it, and without human intervention, you are able to tell what the object is. That's a very simple example. So students in the area in the course will get exposure in these areas. All right. Besides vision, artificial intelligence is also applied to audio. There's also applied to a lot of other processes. Okay. Too many to say in this particular seminar. Okay. Of course, we do not say our students graduate from the course become expert in these areas. We provide enough fundamentals for them to gain enough knowledge to do the work that is necessary. Okay, that's what we hope to achieve in computer engineering. And if your child wants to join us, I think he or she will have a lot of fun learning something that is useful for the next 10, 20 years. All right. Anybody else want to chip in?
I think we have a couple of questions coming up here. Can I choose to join any engineering diploma after 1 year in common engineering program? Definitely yes, because common engineering is really cut for students who are not too sure which particular engineering courses to take. So definitely you join us first and decide later which diploma you would like to after listening to the course talk and all the various tools that we equip you to make an informed choice in common engineering. All right. So hope that answer your question. All right, this is a question of mechatronics. Well, Chai-Ping, you may want to pick this up.
Thank you, Rashman Kumar, for your questions. The question is, if I'm going to take mechatronics, is robotics engineer one of the career option? I would think definitely is, but don't be just focus on the job title, because today's job role will never be the same for tomorrow's world. Okay, and just now I've shown a slice on the very futuristic, unheard of job title. Okay, it will be evolved definitely because of the transformation and because of the demand of different job role. But yes, robotics engineer, you can work in that area from the diploma in mechatronics. There are also like technicians, associate engineer. These are all very common job title. But we wouldn't know. Tomorrow's job title will have a very different meaning. Like last time, data scientist, it has never happened. But now we have very prevalent in this job role. Anyone want to add?
Well,
Your
thanks,
job
Chai-
role. Yeah.
thanks, Chai-Ping. I think recently we hear about, we are in a COVID pandemic situation right now, right? Job market wasn't that bad. But I think one of the particular sector, especially in electronics, not so badly hit. Maybe I will invite Chapmang to comment a little bit on the job market for the electronic sector in this very bad, not so good situation right now. Hey, Chapmang.
Thank you. Okay. Electronics industry in Singapore has been established for many years, and it has been transforming, and it continuously renew itself. And as you can watch from the news, last year during the COVID, even during the circuit breaker period, those electronics company, especially in the semiconductor technology industry, they are continuing employing, while many other industry, you can heard from the news, not doing very well, but the electronic semiconductor industry continue to hire, and 2,800 jobs was added during that period. All right, and also in TP, we have a well-established semiconductor training facilities for working adults. All right, we have clean room facilities and well-equipped equipment. And many of the leading semiconductor companies, right, actually they send their employee to TP to attend our professional training, all right, to upskill their semiconductor workers for their companies. And also, students who are in the electronics and mechatronics course will have opportunity to choose the semiconductor technology to be trained in our well-facilitated semiconductor facility, all right, such that you will be well prepared for the up-and-coming new emerging jobs and growing career opportunity in the semiconductor industry. Thank you.
Right.
Yes, sorry, if I may add on, yes, some of our
Go ahead.
graduates are even offered a job while in poly final year. And those potential students that will be joining us, you are in for a very good learning journey because we have a live smart factory just recently set up. And those students in the engineering cluster will go through this multidisciplinary learning and experiential learning journey in these centers of excellence. Thank you.
All right, for the next question, I'm either looking at Adrian or Adrian looking at me. So I think I decided to, maybe it's more pertaining to biomedical. Adrian, why not you give us some insights?
Sure. Okay, thanks. Thanks for the question. Okay, the question is, would it be harder to study in, let's say, biomedical after doing common course for the first 2 semesters? Will I miss much? Okay, so everybody will do. People that comes in directly for biomedical engineering will do common engineering for the first year, first 2 semesters. That means semester 1, semester 1.2. So there's nothing much. It's exactly the same. So only at year 2. Okay, so for common engineering, CEP, they will choose our course, biomedical engineering, and they will start to stream into the biomedical engineering. And our direct intake from year 1 to year 2 will be doing the same thing. So exactly the same thing. There is no loss or miss any subjects. Exactly the same subjects, year 1. So anyway, year 2, when you stream into biomedical, you start to learn about the biomedical engineering subjects. Okay, so let me elaborate further. So what is biomedical engineering? It is the application of engineering principles and design concepts to medicine and biology for healthcare purposes. So in this course, at year 2 onwards, we provide training in 3 major areas, namely engineering, life sciences, and healthcare informatics. So we teach our students how to design and build biomedical devices. So what are medical devices? These are products that have physical effect on the human bodies. What are they used for? To diagnose, measure, and monitor. Okay. For example, biomedical devices such as surgical masks for COVID-19, respirators, and diagnostic test kits. These are to name a few. Okay, and these biomedical devices are to provide biomedical solutions to the doctors and to the clinicians, and to help to save and monitor lives. Okay, thank you very much.
That's great. Thanks, Adrian. Yep. SIT pathway program. All right. We just hear Chai Ping describing the program. Maybe Chai Ping want to give us more insight on this.
Sure. Thank you. Yes, just now I mentioned that TP is the first polytechnic to offer this true train program. We partner it with SIT and Newcastle University. So the degree program that we specially partner with is already mapped our diploma in mechatronics curriculum with one of their degree program, which is the mechanical design and manufacturing engineering. MDME in short. So we are into our second batch of students that will start their university pathway program soon. So the first batch, it is very small. It's not a big number. Okay, they are only taking 10% of their usual cohort in SIT. So we have first batch of about 8 students. Second batch, they shortlisted 11 for this pathway program. So they will be taking a university module while in their poly third year that has been mapped to our curriculum. Thank you.
Right. All right, here's another question here. Cutoff point for higher engineering compared to joining diploma direct. There is a difference between the cutoff point joining common engineering program direct and versus the diploma. But let me tell you this, the common engineering program is a very big intake. All right, so it's not about the cutoff point. It's for somebody who's not too sure which particular engineering course to join. You join common engineering first, and then you decide the course after you join us. All right, so as compared to a diploma direct. So the question right now is, go along with your passion. If you decided that there's certain diploma that you really like to, then please, I advise you to join direct or apply direct if you can meet the cutoff point. But if not, then there is another chance to pursue your dream course by joining common engineering, and then at the same time explore other diploma program. All right. So, but the most important thing about joining common engineering, upon your streaming during your common engineering, we don't look at your O-level result anymore, but we look at your poly SEM 1 result. All right, that is a difference versus if you apply to go into a diploma direct in SEM 1, where we refer to your O-level results. All right, but in common engineering, the streaming will be based on your poly results. So this is something you need to take note of. All right, I'm not too sure whether we still have time for one more last question if it's coming in here. All right. Yeah. Still have time? Yeah. Okay. So I suppose we are still waiting for question. If let's say you have any more, then please feel free to drop us a comment on the YouTube. Okay, if not, then what you will do is that I think due to the time schedule of our webinar, I think we should close it pretty soon right now. All right, so if you have any more further question, not to worry, two things you can do. First thing is go and download our Temasek Poly Open House mobile apps from the Play Store. All right, download it. You can discover a wide range of our activities very happening, our campus live tour, courses, CCA, so on and so forth. All right, this is you download it from what you call the Play Store. That's one. If not, then please feel free to check out our open house website. All right, in any particular course you're interested with. Every page that you see at the bottom, you will be able to see a little icon, the e-consultation. Click on it. All right, you'll be able to speak to the staff, and the staff will be assisting you in any question. All right, that you have. All right, after this webinar, not to worry, you can still ask question after that. Is that okay? Are we okay? All right, I think we'll come to the end of our webinar right now. Okay, I wish everybody good luck, all right, for next week when the result is released, and all the best, and hope to see you in Temasek Polytechnic. Thank you for viewing. All right, is everybody okay? Yeah, bye.
Bye.